Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to block websites requesting access to your microphone in your Mozilla Firefox web browser. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on Firefox browser. And then dito lang sa upper right side, i-click mo lang yung 3-line icon na to. So click mo lang yan. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings. And then dito sa settings, and then next ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung privacy and security. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa privacy and security, so scroll down lang tayo at hanapin mo dito yung permissions. Alright? So ito siya. So permissions, under nito ay ilocate mo lang dito yung microphone. So dito sa right side ay i-click mo lang tong settings. So click mo lang yan. At makikita mo kaagad dito yung settings, microphone permissions. Kung paano ba natin i-block yung new request. So dito sa baba ay makikita mo dito yung box na to. So i-check mo lang yan. Block new request asking to access your microphone. So this will prevent any websites not listed above from requesting permissions to access your microphone. Blocking access to your microphone may break some website features. Okay? And then dito naman sa website mga kaibigan, for example, dito yung mga websites and then yung status niya. And then pwede mo itong i-remove websites, click mo lang ito and then remove all websites. And then pwede ka naman dito mag-search website, click mo lang dito. Alright, so after nito ay click mo lang itong save changes. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to block your request asking to access your microphone in Mozilla Firefox. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.